Hello everyone. I know it's been a while, what with Inktober and everything, so you're probably surprised to hear my voice again. I've got here a nice quick video for you. This is paper gang video by Oh Dear, so you know the sort of thing we're going to be looking at is stationery and stuff like that, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a bit of stationery? Let's open this bad boy up. Right. Oof. See if I can do this today without that happening. Obviously not. Today we're not going to be able to avoid that, so just go slow. Go slow. Don't just rip at it. Be gentle. Hold it down. Boom. Hard work. Right, and this is nice one. Nice box. Come in decent nick. Sushi. This is not the October one. Is this the October one? I think this might be September. I don't know. I've lost track of which one it is, but I'm sure it will say inside. So let's have a look, shall we? Da, da, da. Ooh, got your nice little zine here. Stop blocking the light. Da, 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 da. Just took a little pause there to make sure we're all focused in properly, and the obligatory fresh pasta delivered to your door thing, which is no good because Kevin doesn't eat pasta. I mean, I eat pasta, but you know, it's not the end of the world if I don't get to eat pasta all the time. So this is designed by Mouse House. Cute. Nature's Neutrals. Nice. What even day? What day? So you've got your little zine which comes every month. And this one is, which month is this? Which month is this? Don't know. I don't know anymore. It is a month anyway. Some of these months. September. Dear. You tell I've been paying attention. Well, no, they've been having trouble sourcing stuff, so it's kind of tricky, isn't it? We've all been having trouble sourcing stuff. Little plastic, little sticker boy. Remove the sticker boy. Nice orangey paper inside. Ooh. That's some fine liners. I do like them. Ooh. I was not expecting this sort of fabricy feeling. This planner belongs to. So you got today's objective, to-do list, key task, timetable, notes and doodles. It's very nice and all, but there's not enough room for doodles. IMO. Oh, this is really nice. I like these. Oh, look at the little post-it thingies, the little sticky tabs, so you can find all your things. It's got a little mountain range on it. It's very pretty. I like that. Happy B-Day. I always think it's funny when people say B-Day. Ah, that's a nice little card. It's good quality though. Slightly embossed. Can you see the embossing? Can you see the embossing? Embossing. Ah. Choose happy. Okay, that's not a sentiment I necessarily am aligned with. Sometimes you have no choice. I think it's better to seek happy than it is to choose happy, because I'm not sure everyone has a choice in that regard. Happy birthday. Oh, this one is embossed as well, but only very slightly. I don't know if you can see that on there, on the camera. It fills. It's quite a nice one. Very subtle. Very grown up. Life is short and the world is wide. What are these? Is that print? Is that print? What does it say in the thing? That says daily planner, greetings card, world is wide. Oh, it is a print. That's nice. To be fair, life is short and the world is wide. It's girthy. We live in a girthy world, and you've got felt to fence. All branded, of course, paper gang brand. All quite nice. Boop, boop, boop. I might play with those a little bit later. Boop, boop. Purple. But yeah, you see they've all got the paper gang branding on. Can you see that? Very cute. It's a nice little kit. I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure I'm going to keep the day planner because I find day planners a little bit aggressive. That's because I'm a dismal planner. I'm too what's the word? I'm too not relaxed because I'm not, but I tend to be open to suggestion. Perhaps I like a vague timetable that can be changed at a given moment. Whereas that alone, the word timetable stresses me. But you know, what you don't do on that to-do list, you put on that to-do list. Because it then becomes a task that you put on every to-do list. No, I'm joking, that's me. I appreciate organised people, I really do. I think they're lovely. I just find it hard to live the dream. But these, I think, are sweet. They're like little snippets of landscape. It's like the sunrise, sunset, sunrise. Or they're little moles. They could be moles, like, or diglets if you're into Pokemon. But yeah, that's a cool little set. I would give that one a 8.5, definitely. Strong 8.5. Mainly because of the felt tips. But also because of the little... There. That is definitely a 9. These, 8.5 or above. Like that one. The thing is, I like the design on this one, but I just... not that. Because it's, choose happy. It's not necessarily someone's fault if they're not happy. It's not that they, woke up one day and thought, do you know what, today I'm just going to be miserable. No one thinks that. I mean, maybe some people do, but I don't think most people do. Normally you just wake up in the morning and it's like, oh, this is how I'm feeling today. And sometimes you have to just sit with that feeling. And that's okay. Anyway, on that cheery note, I will say au revoir to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, I also forgot, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. Particularly just subscribe. Seriously though, I will see you in the next video, and you have a fabulous week. Bye.